Hello everybody, this is a rundown of our prototype. This is a live feed from the Arduino prototyping board we're using. There's two temperature leads, one to the loop container, one to the silicone sleeve. You can see they're about body temperature, give or take 2 degrees. Today is February 10th, 2022. This cord goes to our prototyping board over there. This is a mock-up of the artificial hip we'll have. This will be smaller. The final version will be smaller. The internals will go in here. There'll be a pubic base here. This is the prototype that we're using. We took a normal product and we added our features because, you know, couldn't get our own prototype. We don't have the funds yet. So we've got a heater here with the temperature probe for the lube, and it's connected to a pump. The pump's connected to a button. Push the button, lube flows into the sleeve. 2 heaters, one in the front, one in the rear, heating up the sleeve to body temperature. And we're going to demonstrate that indeed this is running live. You just saw it switch. It's automatically regulating its temperature. Right now we're at 99 degrees. It's a little bit over 98.6. I'm going to take the temperature probe for this from the sleeve out. Trying not to get censored here. And I'm going to put it in some ice water. And you'll see it switch on, the heater switch on. Red means heating, green means it's warm. There it goes. And let's see what the temperature says. Yeah, 61. 57, so you see it's going down. So all this is happening live. Everything's running the way it's supposed to be. And we do have some octocouplers on our switches that isolate high load from low load. It's an extra safety measure there. And you could own something like this if you help us build the final prototype. It's warm, it's wet. Push the button here. And lube comes out the other end here. So keep your hands clean. If I had something like this in college or high school, would have been happy. So if you help us build it, we can do it. Now, you can imagine something like this with all these features: warm, wet, self-regulating, and the clean out tube, which is not pictured here, in a bigger model, you know, like in an actual full bot, you know, or doll. We're going to make bots, but you know, just imagine how well that would work, how realistic it would be. And that's what we're trying to go for, realism. One more thing I wanted to mention, that in the final version, you know, all of this is going to be hidden inside. This will be larger. It'll be an actual mold of an actual model. And of course, this is going to be prettied up. All these leads and stuff are going to be on traces on a PCB board. This is just for prototyping purposes. So yep, that's what we got.